try on, we are reviewing a super sexy latex lingerie set featuring an absolutely gorgeous black front zip bodysuit. Now, I know that many of you guys are big fans of the bodysuit because it gives that very snug, you know, full body feeling that we love to feel with all of our latex kleidung. And that's why today, for today's latex try-on video, I wanted to show you one of the ways that I really like to wear my latex bodysuits, and particularly how I like to dress them up with a pair of super sexy latex stockings. I wanted to know, would you ever consider buying a latex bodysuit, something like this, for your girlfriend, for your wife, or for some girl that you're secretly admiring? This thing is so sexy, and I actually can't remember if the stockings are Libidex stockings. They might actually be bright and shiny stockings, but they are a perfect accent to this latex outfit, and I just thought something that would really highlight, you know, this latex try-on, and particularly this latex lingerie set for you guys. So you've seen it, you know, you saw me put it on, now you get to see it, you know, kind of up close and personal. And my question for you guys, do you see this as being an outfit that you could possibly, I don't know, have your wife, your girlfriend, or any other hot woman in your life, you know, wear for you? Or is this maybe a little bit too sexy? Why don't I give you guys a closer look and we can tell me what you think after that. Oh my God, I never talked to you about this. Tap the description box, go to my website, JheanelleCorine.com. You can see it in the corner of the video. You'll be instantly connected to my wish list full of super sexy latex outfits I would love to try on for you guys, as well as my Poshmark store where you could pick up a lot of these latex outfits absolutely at a huge discount. Just head over to JheanelleCorine.com. You'll see Poshmark for my discounted latex and my wish list for anything that you would love to see me do a latex try-on video in. All right, so now that we talked about that, let me talk to you about what I think, what's my real advice for if you were considering buying latex for some of the women in your life and how you might want to go about introducing it to them. So I would say, honestly, I would just go for it. I mean, I know that's probably not like the best advice, but to me personally, I think that most women are very happy, and especially if it's like a hot woman, most women are very happy to dress up for you in the bedroom. I'll be honest with you. I mean, like, that's something that I've always actually really desired from a partner. Like I've heard Rihanna say this once where she was like, I'm just looking for the man that's gonna buy me Agent Provocateur every week, every day. Like, hello, right here. It's a super sexy latex outfit, as you guys can see. I mean, it's so shiny. It does everything that you want it to do. It fits so snugly. I personally love the way that it feels on my body, and what I can say about a bodysuit in comparison to a latex catsuit, specifically if we're talking about your wife or your girlfriend or somebody, a hot woman in your life that's never tried latex before. A bodysuit is great because you still get mobility. I could still move around. I could still move around my legs. I could still, move around every little part of my body. And for somebody who's brand new to latex, that's something that they're probably gonna appreciate. Finally, guys, I just wanna give you my final verdict on, whether or not I think that Libidex and some of the clothing, the latex clothing that Libidex has to offer would be good for your girlfriend, your wife, or any other hot woman in your life. The answer is yes, absolutely go pick it up. If you're curious about it or you wanna learn more, or if you're, at all curious about even connecting more with me or getting more sexy latex outfits for me, then definitely stay subscribed to the YouTube channel. Continue being an amazing VIP member. You guys are my absolute favorite fans. Thank you so much. It makes me so happy to be able to do these try-on videos for you. Definitely, again, tap that description box below if you want to get connected with my wish list or my discount luxury latex store on Poshmark. Bye, guys.